Ti'n barod i dechrau canu? You ready to start singing? Ready? Go hello to you, hello to you, hello everybody, hello to you. Da iawn. Bore da, sut o'i ti, da iawn, diolch, bore da. O, da iawn pawb. Croeso pawb i Hybeth Llyfrgell Canol Caerdydd.
Welcome to Central Library Hub.
I'm Sian, dwi'n Sian.
Dwi'n Anna, I'm Anna.
Ac heddiw, rydym am ganu caneuon am Lindys, sydd yn tyfu mewn I pili pala haf.
Lots of things in the garden. That's what we're going to sing about today.
And caterpillars that grow into beautiful butterflies. But first of all, I feel like a wiggle, Anna.
We've got to get moving.
Are you ready? Oh, my fingers are starting to wiggle. My fingers are starting to wiggle. My fingers are starting to wiggle. They're wiggling all day long. Where are your feet? Let me try it. Oh, my feet are starting to wiggle. My feet are starting to wiggle. My feet are starting to wiggle. Wiggling all day long. Oh, da iawn. Now, your body.
Your whole body.
Ti'n cough. You ready? Oh, my body is starting to wiggle. My body is starting to wiggle. My body is starting to wiggle. It's wiggling all day long. Da iawn. Are you feeling all wiggly and warmed up?
You're a little bit wiggly now.
Are you ready to count your fingers now? Barod. Un bis, dau bis, tri bis yn dawnsio, pedwar bis, pump bis, chwech bis yn dawnsio, saith bis, wyth bis, naw bis yn dawnsio, 10 bis yn dawnsio'n llon. O, da iawn! Gyflymach, Anna, faster.
Gyflymach.
Ti'n barod? Deep breath. Un bis, dau bis, tri bis yn dawnsio, pedwar bis, pump bis, chwech bis yn dawnsio, saith bis, wyth bis, naw bis yn dawnsio, 10 bis yn dawnsio llon. Da iawn.
Eased myself that time.
Woo! Well done, Ardechog. Now, it's time to wind the bobbin up. Are you ready? Can you do this?
One.
Ready? Wind the bobbin up, wind the bobbin up, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Wind it back again, pull, pull, clap, clap, clap. Point to the ceiling, point to the floor, point to the window, point to the door. Clap your hands together, 1, 2, 3. Put your hands up on your knees. Da iawn. Now, yn Cymraeg, we're going to do Troi and dwylo. Ti'n barod? Troi and dwylo, Troi and dwylo, Troi a Troi fel hyn. Cwifio and dwylo, cwifio and dwylo, cwifio a cwifio fel hyn. Ciro and dwylo, ciro and dwylo, ciro a ciro fel hyn. Da iawn pawb, gan hyfryd. Now, if you've got a wiggly caterpillar, well, you can use your finger. Because this song is called, Anna's got a very big caterpillar, Lindys mawr. Now we're going to sing There's a Little Caterpillar on a Leaf. Are you ready? There's a little caterpillar on a leaf, wiggle, wiggle. There's a little caterpillar on a leaf, wiggle, wiggle. There's a little caterpillar, a little caterpillar, a little caterpillar on a leaf, wiggle, wiggle. Yn Cymraeg, mae yn y lindys bach ar y ddeilen. Mae yn y lindys bach ar y ddeilen. Mae yn y lindys bach. Lindys bach ar y ddeilen. Nawr mae'n butterfly, mae'n pili pala.
Ooh.
There's a butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter, there's a butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter, there's a butterfly fluttering. Butterfly fluttering, butterfly fluttering in the air. Flutter, flutter. Mae pili paler yn dansio yn yr air. Mae pili paler yn dansio yn yr air. Mae pili paler yn dansio. Paler yn dansio. Mae pili paler yn dansio yn yr air. Da iawn pawb. Oh, pili paler hyfryd. A lovely caterpillar. No.
Another caterpillar.
There's another name for a caterpillar.
Flewog.
Siani Flewog.
Siani Flewog.
Ti'n barod?
Siani Flewog,
Siani Flewog, ble rai di? Dringo fyny ad yr ysgwyd fi'n dygosi di. Mae eto? Siani Flewog, ble rai di? Dringo fyny ad yr ysgwyd fi'n dygosi di. Caterpillars are very tickly, aren't they?
They've got those funny little feet.
Like, tickle, tickle, tickle. Now, this song's called One Little Caterpillar Sitting on a Leaf. Are you ready? One little caterpillar sitting on a leaf. One little caterpillar has a little sleep. The little caterpillar wakes up with a sigh. I'm not a caterpillar, I'm a great big butterfly. Yeah!
Oh, I love that one.
It's a good one, that one, isn't it? We like that one. Now, we're going to sing Mae'r Lindys yn gwingo yn yr ardd. Ti'n barod I gwingo? Wyt ti'n gallu gwingo fel Lindys? Can you wiggle like a caterpillar? Ready? Mae Lindys yn gwingo yn yr ardd, gwingo yn yr ardd, gwingo yn yr ardd. Mae Lindys yn gwingo yn yr ardd, gwingo, 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 gwingo. Mae Lindys yn cysgu yn yr ardd, cysgu yn yr ardd, cysgu yn yr ardd. Mae Lindys yn cysgu yn yr ardd.
Cysgu, cysgu.
Mae'r pili paler yn dawnsio yn yr ardd, dawnsio yn yr ardd, dawnsio yn yr ardd. Pili paler yn dawnsio yn yr ardd, dawnsio, 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 dawnsio. Da iawn!
Super duper.
Now, there's a rhyme about a little girl called Arabella Miller.
Arabella Miller.
And do you know what Arabella Miller found?
No, don't tell me. It wasn't a pili-pala butterfly.
No.
It wasn't a spider.
No.
Was it? It wasn't a caterpillar.
Yeah, little Arabella Miller found a woolly caterpillar. Are you ready? Little Arabella Miller found a woolly caterpillar. First it crawled up on her mother, then upon her baby brother. Oh, said Arabella Miller, take away that caterpillar. Diane, you were dance again. Little Arabella Miller found a woolly caterpillar. First it crawled up on her mother, then upon her baby brother. Oh, said Arabella Miller, take away that caterpillar! Woo! There he goes!
There's a lot of caterpillars crawling.
Wow, da iawn pawb. Lawr o gan am Lindys a pili pala. Nice iawn.
Yes.
Very, very nice. But now, rydym yn deithio. We're going to go on a journey.
Yes.
Wyt ti eisiau mynd adre, neu awyren, neu gar?
Yeah.
Shall we see?
Hofrennydd?
Hofrennydd?
No.
Are you ready? Tren. Ti'n barod? Tren awyren bwsacwch, bwsacwch. Tren awyren bwsacwch, bwsacwch a roced car frenydd baic. Tren awyren bwsacwch, bwsacwch. Da iawn! That one! Come on then, Anna, are we going on the big red bus? Waving my flag. Hey! A big red bus, a big red bus. Mini, 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 and a big red bus. A big red bus, a big red bus. Mini, 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 and a big red bus. Ferrari, Ferrari. Mini, 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 and a big red bus. Ferrari, Ferrari. Mini, 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 and a big red bus.
Sian, aeroplane.
Ooh. Aeroplane, aeroplane, helicopter and aeroplane, aeroplane and aeroplane, helicopter and aeroplane, a rocket, helicopter and aeroplane, a rocket, helicopter and aeroplane. Woo! That was fun, Anna. I enjoyed that. Mwynhauais I
Back in the
hynny.
library.
Now.
Oh.
Song. Oh, dwi'n caru song nesa. I love the next song. Jelly
It's a yummy,
on
yummy
a
song.
plate. Can you be a jelly? Ti'n gallu bod yn jelly? Jelly on a plate. Jelly on a plate. Wibble wobble, wibble wobble, jelly on a plate. Cookies in a jar, cookies in a jar. Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up. Cookies in a jar. Candles on a cake, candles on a cake. Bluma, 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 candles on a cake. Da iawn, pawb.
That's all of them.
Oh, da iawn.
Nice
Oh,
one.
no.
That was good.
Dwi'n barod i arafu. I'm ready to
Already?
slow down. Yeah, dwi'n wedi blin. Dwi'n hoffi gan am Enfys. I like the rainbow song.
Oh, the Enfys song.
I like the rainbow.
Melon. I know that one.
Are you ready?
Barod.
Ooh, this is blue track to the floor. Are you ready? Here we go. Coch a melyn a glas a gwyrdd, porffor a oren a pink. Dyma lliw a Enfys, lliw a Enfys, lliw a Enfys har. Oh, hyfryd iawn, very lovely. Oh, and you know, another song I really like, Hannah, was Twinkle, Twinkle.
I know that one.
Dwi'n hoffi gan am Seren. Seren Ddisgler, Seren Wen.
Seren Wen, everybody.
Dwi'n barod. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Da iawn, pawb.
Very good, everybody. Lovely.
Mae'n amser i dweud hwyl fawr.
Are we ready to say goodbye, everyone? It's
Oh.
that time already.
It's gone very quickly today.
See you next week.
week. Goodbye to you. Goodbye to you. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye to you. Hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, hwyl fawr ffrindiau, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr. Twrelwra banta ni, banta ni, banta ni, twrelwra banta ni, mae'n amser dweud hwyl fawr.